Jason, is it raining?
Yep, it's raining.
No fireworks tonight, huh? It's raining.
Fire. Fire. Tiger.
No spitting.
That white. It's really loud.
You spit out the rice?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Jason, can you show Mommy you can count?
Mommy can count that.
Jason, can you show Mommy you can count?
10, 8.
How many tigers do you have?
1,
How many trucks do you have?
1, 2, 3.
Do you like the rain?
No.
Hmm?
Good.
Show Mommy what you got, Jason. Show Mommy. Let Mommy see. Can Mommy see it? Jason, can Mommy see what you got? Jason. Stay right there where Mommy can see you. Are they all wet now?
You guys. What did they say? They say 1, 8. Who's faster? Where's the moon? No. One guy. Okay. Tiger, no! Okay, I win! Okay. Go to water! Huh? Yeah. Ah. Ow. Wow. Choke.
Go get it, Jason.
Okay, get it. Hey, Mommy.
Yes, Jason.
Huh?
Uh-oh, it's raining faster.
Ah.
Get your trucks.
Help.
It's pouring.
Ah.
Get it, get it. Jason, get the trucks. They said help me. Help. You gotta get it. Get it. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. You all wet. Get all your toys. Where's the tiger?
I see the water.
Get him. He's all wet.
Tiger! Tiger! Get Hey!
Careful, you're gonna fall. Come back over here, Jason. Jason.
Yeah.
All right, all done. Too wet.
Mommy, like this. You guys, go, go, go!
No. Go get it and come back over here. Jason, right here. There's too much boo-boos out there. Too much glass.
Let's go, Tiger. Yes.
Did you go pee-pee? Let mommy see your underwear. Let mommy see.
None of you guys.
Jason,
Huh?
stand up. Let mommy see your underwear. Let mommy see. Stand up. Let mommy see. Are they all wet?
Nope.
Uh-oh, Jason, it's raining harder. Wow.
Two.
The trucks are out there, Jason.
What are they doing? Two cars.
How many cars?
One.
That's not one.
It's one.
No, 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 no. That stays in the house.
Why?
Because that can't get wet. No, that can't get wet either. Hey, Mommy just said no. Put it back right now. Come here. You pick that up. You say sorry. Put it back.
Oh,
You gotta be careful.
Tiger? Mommy.
Jason,
Huh?
sing Mommy a song. Jason, look at me.
No.
Look it.
Mm-mm.
Look right here. Jason, look. Look. Right here. Sing a song. Sing. Sing, sing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Jason. Jason. You gonna sing for Mommy? Twinkle, twinkle. Sing it.
Listen. Listen.
No. Jason.
Is Mom the bike
No.
a toy?
No.
Yes, they were.
No. Mommy just said no. Did you hear what Mommy said? Unless you need a boo-boo on your butt.
Cool.
That's gonna stay right there.
Is it working?
It's working. There's Bampa.
Mm-hmm.
Jason, can you sing for Mommy? Come here. Look at Mommy.
Careful.
Jason. Can you sing for Mommy?
You know you're in black there, Rena.
And you are my sunshine.
It's gonna be kind of hot down here. Hmm?
Sing for Mommy.
What is this? A black pillow with white stripes or a white pillow with black stripes?
It's okay. Put the cup down. Put the cup down. Let Mommy hear you sing. Jason.
Corinne,
What?
I bet you can't answer this question.
Hold on.
Oh, my baby.
Hey, come here.
If he's not in love with himself in the camera. Sing for Mommy. Sing Twinkle Twinkle. How's that song go?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Come on, sing with me.